Hey there, this is Patrick at Geochron for a Tech Tuesday on the atmospheric air quality and pollution layer. I'm going to jump down to this in the premium menu. You'll notice that I have the map on grayscale. The atmospheric pollution layer is a heat map as I turn it on here using AQI, and it's a lot easier when the map is set into grayscale. You could find that under the General tab set to grayscale right there. So here I'm showing AQI at an opacity of 4 out of 10. I can adjust that opacity as I can for everything on the Geochron to make it even darker, but then that tends to obliterate the maps in the background. Here in the air quality layer, you can see that where people live is where the air quality is bad. If you live in North America, it's great. If you live in Europe, it's pretty good. But where there are people or where there are major events like fires and stuff like that, and volcanoes, then the air quality layer is going to be pretty awful where you live. But just how awful? Jumping back down here under the gear icon in the atmospheric air quality layer, I'm going to turn on cities and we can put a number on that. So the number here would be, zooming out again, like in North America, I'm seeing just like out of 1 to 100, I'm seeing 3, 1, 7, 5. Life's pretty good. I jump over to China and I'm looking at 70, 55, 80, yikes. So that is life-shortening kind of pollution. That will take years off your life if you live in it. Another way to use this layer is to jump over to Air Quality Index Minis. And so you can look at other layers too. So for example, I could show the Air Quality Index here in the menu, but there are large descriptions and many other ways that you can go to describe the different pollution that's swimming around inside the atmosphere. Here, I have the mini turned on to ammonia, and you see it in the upper right-hand corner. So for ammonia, it's when there's a lot of agriculture, when people are manufacturing fertilizer, or where there's a lot of decomposing stuff, that's ammonia. Another interesting thing about the air quality index layer is that you can see dramatic events as well. I'm jumping over here to January 8th of 2025 this year, where the Pacific Palisades fire was burning off the coast of Southern California. Those little red dots that you see in this, they are the NASA firm's hotspots. So those are satellites that are looking for fires, and then we can put those on the Geochron. You'll find that in the premium weather tab. And then you can see how the air quality got worse and worse from January 8th to January 9th to January 10th. And let me tell you, that wasn't just organic fire, that was structural fire. So nasty stuff that was carrying out over the Pacific Ocean. So that's a quick look at the atmospheric pollution layer. This is available by trial to all Global Pass customers and to people who subscribe specifically to the atmospheric pollution layer. And I hope you enjoy it as you find your way in context in a larger world using our maps at Geochron. Thanks.